The Taiwanese company known for making iPhones, Foxconn, will soon be the company behind some of the most popular routers and other computer accessories. A subsidiary of Foxconn, Foxconn Interconnect Technology, announced today that it will acquire Belkin, which also owns the Linksys and Wemo brands. Belkin, based in California, has been around for 35 years and is known today for creating a variety of computer and telephone accessories, including wireless chargers, laptop bases, and phone cases. Belkin bought Linksys, which is well known for its domestic routers, in 2013. And it has been running an intelligent home system called Wham-O for more than 5 years. That is a major change for Foxconn, which goes from being a behind-the-scenes manufacturing partner to the owner of 3 major consumer brands. Foxconn will pay $866 million in cash to acquire Belkin. The purchase must be subject to the approval of the U.S. Foreign Investment Committee, which means that it's not a done deal yet.